Welcome to this tutorial on how to short a stock using Robinhood. Shorting a stock means you are betting that the stock price will go down. To do this effectively, you first need to make sure you have a Robinhood account and that your account is enabled for margin trading. If you are new to shorting, it is important to understand the risks involved, so make sure to do your research before proceeding. First, log into your Robinhood account and use the search bar to find the stock you want to short. Once you are on the stocks page, check to see if the stock is eligible for short selling. You can find this information in the menu or technical details. If the stock is available to short, you will see an option to sell it short. To short the stock, tap on the trade button and select Sell Short. Enter the number of shares you want to short and confirm your order. Keep in mind that you are borrowing the shares to sell them at the current market price, with the intention of buying them back later at a lower price. If all goes well, you will make a profit, but if the stock price goes up, you may incur significant losses. After placing your order, monitor both the stock's performance and your position. To close your short position, go to your portfolio, find the shorted stock, and select Buy to Cover. Enter the number of shares you want to buy back and complete your transaction. Remember to keep an eye on your investments and adhere to your risk management strategy. Happy trading!